Welcome back to DRP Solutions Tech Tips, your trusted companion for office technology insights. Today, we unveil tech tip number 6, improving productivity. Boost your efficiency. Streamline your tasks and conquer your to-do list by implementing smart productivity strategies. Start with your workspace. A clutter-free environment fosters focus and creativity, allowing you to tackle tasks with a clear mind. Organize with technology. Utilize task management apps to prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Remember to recharge. Short breaks actually enhance productivity by preventing burnout and boosting cognitive function. Master shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your work, whether you're navigating documents or managing emails. At DRP Solutions, we're here to elevate your productivity. Stay tuned for more tech tips on office technology, where we'll cover collaboration tools and security standards. Subscribe to our blog and follow us on social media for valuable insights. Unleash your productivity with DRP Solutions.